Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Fish and Shrimps, and today we are going to talk about testing of aquarium water. And before we go ahead with the topic, please I would like to remind you that like, subscribe and share my channel if you like the contents that I am uploading every day. So please do like and subscribe to my channel. And now, without any further delays, let me start on the topic as to why should we test the aquarium water. Usually the beginners who are getting into this aquarium hobby never really feel the need to test the water. They feel that just because it is basically because they don't have the knowledge. Even me, when I started keeping aquarium, I had no knowledge about water testing and about cycling process or anything. So I had to learn it the hard way. I asked my friends and everything, and I started to monitor things, and then I bought the test kit. So and then I understood why the first of all the cycling process is necessary, and second of all why a test kit would play a major role in the aquarium hobby. Now, testing water is important because you are keeping the fishes in an enclosed setup. It is not natural place like the sea or ocean or river, lakes, ponds, etc. So we need to make that effort to see to it that the water in the aquarium is good and does not have a high level of pollution or toxin in it, which would cause fish death. And that is why every beginner should have aquarium test kit with him or her. It makes life easy, and these test kits are very easy to use. It is not at all difficult, or it is not at all rocket science, so you can easily use them. I personally use API aquarium water test kit. I'm not trying to advertise the brand. I have been using this, and it's very easy to use. It's not at all difficult. And I would like to show what all you can test in this with the test kit. You can test the nitrate in the water, and again you have got two bottles that would help you test the nitrate. And then you have the high range pH, so again you can test the pH of your water. And this is the normal pH test solution, so you can I usually just test the normal thing. I have never used the high range pH. And this is ammonia. This is the major factor that may cause any kind of issues in your aquarium. So ammonia also has two bottles, and this is nitrite. Nitrite has only one bottle. So basically these are the bottles available in this test kit, through which you can test your aquarium water. It is actually very helpful. I use API test kit, and it is very easy to use. They also give this, I will also tell you the procedure of how to do it. They give this kind of tubes, testing tubes with the kit. So basically you have to fill in the aquarium water with this marking, 5 ml marking, and then you have to put the drops of each. The drops are mentioned in each of the bottle. So just the exact drop you need to put in the aquarium water and shake it well, and that will give you the result. And you can match the result with this over here. So it is very easy for one to test the aquarium water and to check if it is good and safe for your fishes. And if it's not, you can make the necessary changes, water change or whatever that is required for you to get the exact water consistency for your fishes to thrive. So yes, I wanted to do this testing kit video because I myself, when I was newbie into this hobby, I was not really well aware of this. So I wanted the new hobbyist, if you are getting into fish keeping hobby, then you should be aware of the test kit. There are many other test kits available. There are test kit with this, a strip test kit also. So you can choose whatever suits you best and whatever is available in the market near you. Nowadays, these things are available in online market, so it's absolutely easy and it's very convenient to use. It is not at all confusing. So if you are getting into the hobby, please keep the test kit. If you're already into the hobby, then it is all the more necessary that you do keep the test kit with you, so that you can give your fishes very healthy water parameters for them to thrive and be happy in your aquarium that you provide for them. So yes, if you have liked the content of my videos, then please do like and subscribe to the channel. And that's it for today's video. More in the next video that I will upload. Thank you very much. Have a very nice day and happy fish keeping. Bye bye.